Hello friends, in this video today we will learn how to use the present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense, and today our part is part 4. So let's get started by today's form. So by using the present perfect continuous tense before, as you did the previous tenses, if you do this, then you can construct a structure. You can construct many kinds of sentences, and you can apply them with many kinds of people. Okay, and that will be easier by simple deeds. So no more talking, let's get started and let's get know what are the structure. As we know, that is, there are 3 forms to construct a structure. What they are? Positive, negative, and question. And in question, there are 2 kinds of question. First of all is positive, which gives us a positive situation, okay, and that answer is the answer of the sentence is yes. And the negative situation indicates that is the negative expression, or the answer of the question is no. Okay, it can be happen or not, so we can just use this. So we can start from the positive here. What does it mean? In the positive, we can use by using the both verbs, that is irregular and regular verbs. Okay, even though the irregular verbs changes a little bit during the verb 2 or verb 3. Okay, but in this tense the structure is same, okay, with the like regular verbs. So let's see, then you can get it. So first of all, we can just keep the normal structure as we generally did. We can say I have been playing. If you want to say with this irregular verb, that is go, the structure will be working same. I have been playing, I have been going. Same like this. You have been playing, we have been playing, they have been playing. So I hope that is, we don't need to talk about the irregular verb, because it will just keep doing the same work as regular verb. I hope I can make you understand. So look at this. I have been playing, you have been playing, it indicates you. We have been playing, we indicates a group of us. They have been playing. Okay, on that time we can use this. But it changes a little bit, but keeps the structure same. Is he has been playing, she has been playing, it has been playing. Why? Because as we know, that is he is third person singular number. During of this, we have to put the has after of these third person singular number subjects. Okay, then we have to keep the same words, same forms. He has been playing, she has been playing, it has been. Okay, we have already get it, the positive one. Then we will just try to understand the negative. Sometimes we get stuck, but don't need to worry it. I will explain it step by step. So see, we can start from here. During of this, sometimes we can say, we can just put the not after the word of have or has. We can say like this: I have not been playing. You have not been playing. They have not been playing. Same like here. He has not been playing. She has not been playing. It has not been playing. Arjon has not been playing. We can use it. But if you want to make it informal, okay, if you want to make it informal, if you want to make it shorten, okay, if you want to shorten it, or if you want to contract it, if you just want to combine them, then it becomes into like hasn't pronounce then haven't. The sound of the word of haven't is at the end, the T pronounces like t, haven't. Same here, hasn't. Okay, z. In the middle of the word of this spelling, it sounds like z. I hope you get it. Then we can say like this: I haven't been playing, you haven't been playing, we haven't been playing, They haven't been playing. He hasn't been playing. She hasn't been playing. It hasn't been playing. So it's the contraction form of the negative one. The next question. Now, this move will make you happy, and then you will think that is we have just got we have just got a good Sarini Dan Piti. Okay, then Sarini de Panditi. Then you will understand that is what goals, that is we get succeed to complete our goals because we have already did this. So think about that is you have come too far. So there are some steps. So if you just suffer by completing this steps, then you will get succeed. So look at this here. During of this, it changes a little bit during the question. Okay, what do we need to do? What's the main task? What's the main goal of this? During of these, both of them have or has, we have to put up them before the word of subject. Just we have to keep the structure same. Just it's a little bit of different to put the have or has before the word of subject. For example, have I been playing? Have you been playing? Have we been playing? Have they been playing? Next. Has he been playing? Has he been playing? Has she been playing? Has she been playing? Has it been playing? We can't do that. And there's one matter we can also add. Do you know what? We can add the WS question. Let's use where. We can say, where have I been playing? Where have you been playing? Where have we been playing? Where have they been playing? Let's see, we can just do that. Okay, same here. Where has he been playing? Where has she been playing? Where has it been playing? So like other tenses, many kinds of tenses, you have to just keep a reminder that is you have to set a goal. That is we have to put the word after the subject and we have to take it away and put those kinds of words before the word of the praise, the question, and which makes the praises very better. Okay, same like this, same like the WH words, you can just put the question word before of this where, and same like this has. I hope you have get it very well. And there's one matter I want to talk about this, that is we can also make it into the negative. For example, we can just add the not, same like of here. Then we can say like this, where have have I not been playing? Where have you not been playing? Where have we not been playing? Like this. Where has he not been playing? Where has she not been playing? Instead of where, we can say what have I not been playing? What have we not been playing? What has he not been playing? Okay, it makes the structure a big sentence. Okay, so see, by small steps it creates into the big big sentence. So I hope you have get it very well. So these are the main forms. Okay, instead of where, you can use any kinds of WS words. I hope you have get it. And these are the main structure, and there's also a contract form. We can also contract of them. We will watch the next video, and in the next video I will tell you with a long explanation of the contraction. So if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video run, and see you in the next video run, and bye for now.